Introducing the GH1 AV all-wheel drive, built for the open road. Equipped for the road less traveled, and ready for your next great adventure. The GH1 AV is built with the family in mind, combining comfortable belted seating with everyday conveniences like a functional kitchen, microwave, refrigerator, and plenty of storage.
Why didn't you buy an RV?
From muddy forest trails and snow-covered back roads to mountain highways and everyday city streets, this van is built for adventure and changing conditions. Its all-wheel drive system provides added traction and confidence when the terrain gets challenging, helping you stay in control through rain, mud, snow, and uneven roads. Whether your destination is a mountain village or somewhere far beyond the pavement, this van gives you the capability and confidence to keep exploring. When the pavement ends, the adventure doesn't have to. At the rear of the GH1, you'll find a spacious and versatile gear garage with plenty of room for bikes, skis, camping equipment, backpacks, and all the gear you need for your adventures. The wide rear doors make loading and unloading easy. And with the power bed raised, you can take full advantage of the available cargo space. Then, when it's time to call it a night, simply lower the power bed. In just seconds, your adventure garage transforms into a comfortable sleeping area. Ready for a good night's rest so you can wake up refreshed and ready for tomorrow's adventure? For outdoor enthusiasts, the GH1's rear gear garage is one of the most important features of the entire van. The durable cargo area is designed for an active lifestyle. And the best part is that you don't have to choose between carrying your gear and having a comfortable place to sleep. The GH1 doesn't just take you to the outdoors, it gives you the space to bring your adventure with you. The GH1's galley may be compact, but it gives you the conveniences you want when traveling off the beaten path. Everything is arranged to maximize the available space. So whether you're making your morning coffee or preparing dinner after a long day on the trail, you have a comfortable and convenient kitchen wherever your adventure takes you. One of the things that makes the GH1 so versatile is its ability to accommodate a family of 4. In addition to the driver and front passenger seats, you have 2 dedicated passenger seats, giving everyone a comfortable place to ride. With seatbelts in all 4 seating positions, you can bring the family along. Whether you're heading across town or setting out on a cross-country adventure, because it's a compact Class B van, the GH1 can be practical enough for everyday driving, while still giving you the amenities and gear-carrying capability you want for camping. During the week, it can take the family where you need to go, and on the weekend, it can take you somewhere unforgettable. Compact, convenient, and adventure-ready. The GH1 refrigerator gives you plenty of space for your favorite food and drinks. The GH1 is built on the Mercedes-Benz 2500 all-wheel drive Sprinter chassis, giving you a solid foundation for adventures both on and off the pavement. The all-wheel drive system provides enhanced traction and stability when conditions become challenging. From wet highways to snow-covered roads and rugged terrain, the 2027 GH1 1UP takes adventure to the next level with advanced suspension, extended off-grid power, premium captain's chairs, and an upgraded audio system. Compact, rugged, and comfortable, it's equally at home on city streets or exploring beyond the pavement. The GH1 built to go beyond. When the pavement ends, the GH1 is ready. The ARB onboard air compressor lets you air down your tires for the trail and air them back up for the highway, all from the convenience of your own van. It's one more feature that gives you the confidence to take your adventure farther. At just under 20 feet long, the GH1 gives you impressive capability without the size and bulk of a traditional motorhome. Adventure is even better when you bring a few comforts of home along with you. The GH1 offers premium JBL audio, a convenient microwave, a Luno front seat air mattress for additional sleeping space, and a removable Lagoon swivel table for dining, working, or relaxing. It's comfort, convenience, and versatility designed for life on the road. The GH1 is built for adventure beyond the pavement. Rugged tires provide the capability to explore, while compatibility with Alvan accessories gives you plenty of options to customize your van for bikes, gear, and additional storage. And with a 15,000 BTU GRE EcoCool air conditioner with heat pump and Bluetooth capability, you can stay comfortable wherever your next adventure takes you. The GH1 features a wolf box, always turned on rear view. Camera mirror, giving you a wide, real-time view behind the van, even when your gear blocks the rear windows. With a high-definition display, night vision capability, and adjustable parking guidelines, you get better visibility and added confidence wherever your adventure takes you. The 2027 GH1 19AV features a refined Mercedes-Benz cockpit with a central multimedia display, multifunction steering wheel, convenient storage, and excellent visibility, keeping you comfortable and confidently in control wherever the adventure takes you. Built for year-round adventure, this van combines all-wheel drive capability with rugged tires and ground clearance to confidently explore a wide variety of roads and conditions.
Sometimes the best adventures aren't about where you're going. They're about who comes along for the ride. Until next time, keep exploring and let the adventure begin.
What a great adventure.